welcome to a quick little rundown. We could jump right into the top story, then we are steer up things. First up, we have to talk serious. It's about the safety of the people them and them where I go school. Enough people are pushed out set up on proper school bus system here in Jamaica. And me tell you, them have good reason. Too much of we pitney, especially out of country area, traveling in some dangerous way when not safe at all. Sad to say, but the results are showing up in the public health system. From 2022 to 2024 alone, more than 60 people lose them life in a road crash. And plenty more end up in a hospital with serious injury we could have prevent. The Minister of Health, they behind the movement strong, and he must stress say every pitney fi can reach school and come home back safe. PNP's Peter Bunting I even say, me wouldn't put me one pitney on that bus there.
I wouldn't put my child on that whole bus.
So you don't know, this is a system of protect the youth them.
Next up, some real strange and disturbing news out of Westmoreland. A caregiver get charged after them find the mummified body of one elderly woman in her house and claim it did it for nearly 2 years now. The body get discovered Sunday gone in a Old Hope district, Little London. The caregiver, 54-year-old Gina Robinson, says she keep the body because she get a divine vision where God tell her to bury the woman or even report the dead. She claimed the woman never saved and she never want to go to hell. The woman, Viola Destin, believed she dead from December 10, 2023. Them find upon one mattress still wrapped up in a sheet and half covered with tarpaulin. Them say she never have no close family in Jamaica and the caregiver meet her through church. The state where the body didn't even make people wonder how we're still intact. So some people have said the caregiver must did use something upon the body, maybe embalming fluid or something like that. The police then process the scene and carry away the body for post-mortem. But because of how we're dead, them say autopsy might rough, or maybe them can still run a toxicology test. Robinson get charged with failure to report the death, block the proper burial, and try pervert the course of justice.
No, on the entertainment side, social media hot up because Jamaican-born footballer Liam Bailey named in a big scandal. Rumor did a fly around. No, but video leak was showing face and him voice clear. People attack say even though son I laugh it off, it's serious. Cause if you treat woman so a leak private video is a crime. But the talk now I said the woman were involved, maybe him side chick. Mike had dropped the video them for mash up Leon reputation. The clip them show some real intimate scene, them even a talk about rim and bra. One video show Liam Bailey expose himself in a mirror. After all of this, him delete him Instagram, which some people think might cause more problem. Enough people are wonder how a public figure will make about £120,000 a week could have make video like that or even allow them for record, especially when him always a post up with him baby mother. People believe the woman will leak it do deliberate, cause how fast the clip skipped to the most embarrassing part. And now some big regional businesses. Barbados and Jamaica is now on a chopping block as they are on the EU high-risk list. Barbados Prime Minister Ms. Motley called out the European Parliament for take us off. PM Motley did a talk at the 49th CARICOM Heads of Government meeting as she highlights that both countries come off the Financial Action Task Force list.
Because of a technical mechanism by which they remove countries, Barbados and Jamaica continue to suffer at the hands of the listing process when we have been deemed to be fully compliant with all of the obligations required of us from the Financial Action Task Force.
Over a year now, but still stuck on the EU list because of one technical reason. The delay will mash up a regional economy and slow down trade benefits. She also pushed the idea to swap out regional debt. Barbados already did 2 times, one for nature and one for climate. Build up marine programs or even a new sewage plant. All without borrowing more money. At the quick update that for today people, drop a comment below and tell what you think about whole of them story.